Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIM Level 6 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on.
To begin mastering the CIM Level 6 Commercial Intelligence module, it is crucial to understand what Commercial Intelligence (CI) really means. CI refers to the process of gathering, analyzing, and using business data to make informed marketing decisions. This module encourages candidates to explore how both internal data, such as sales records and customer behavior, and external data, such as competitor trends and market insights, can drive strategic decisions. Candidates should understand how CI is not just about collecting data, but about linking it directly to performance metrics and broader strategic goals. The best answers show how CI informs decisions, identifies opportunities, and optimizes campaigns. Examples might include using Google Analytics to identify underperforming web pages or sales data to tweak pricing strategy. Clarity in defining how CI contributes to marketing success is key to passing this section of the assignment. A well-structured commercial intelligence assignment is essential for CIM Level 6 success. Start with a concise executive summary that outlines what the assignment will cover, followed by clearly stated objectives. Structure your content into well-defined sections, including insight gathering, strategic interpretation, and actionable recommendations. Make sure each section logically follows from the last. For example, insights gained from CRM data should clearly lead into strategic decisions about customer segmentation or targeting. Using visuals like graphs or data dashboards not only enhances clarity, but demonstrates analytical competence. Remember to reference tools and techniques used, such as SWOT or competitor benchmarking, when transitioning from insight to action. A coherent structure ensures that the examiner can easily follow your thought process, which is critical for high marks. Always conclude each section with a short summary that links findings to broader marketing strategy. One of the core skills in the CIM Level 6 Commercial Intelligence module is the effective use of data analysis tools. Techniques such as SWOT and PESTLE provide structured ways to evaluate internal and external environments. Competitor analysis and benchmarking tools help you position your brand strategically. Digital tools like CRM systems and Google Analytics offer detailed customer data from engagement metrics to purchase behavior. Integrating this information with market research provides a 360-degree view of your target audience. It's also vital to include segmentation techniques and customer journey mapping to identify pain points and opportunities. When presenting your findings, link each tool used directly to the strategic insight it delivered. For instance, if Google Analytics shows a high bounce rate, your recommendation could be to improve landing page content. This logical flow from tool to insight to action is key to a strong assignment submission. The value of commercial intelligence lies in how it is applied. This slide focuses on translating data into actionable marketing strategies. Insights must be tied directly to strategic decisions involving the marketing mix, product, price, place, promotion, or even the extended 7 Ps in service sectors. For example, discovering that a target segment prefers mobile-first shopping could lead to prioritizing mobile ad spend or redesigning UX for mobile platforms. It's also essential to show how strategies align with broader business goals, such as increased market share or customer retention. Include specific KPIs to demonstrate how success will be measured. For instance, a strategy to improve customer experience might include metrics such as Net Promoter Score, NPS, or Customer Lifetime Value, CLV. This linkage between data, strategy, and business impact is what elevates a pass to a distinction in your CIM assignment. To succeed in the CIM Level 6 Commercial Intelligence module, it's important to be aware of common pitfalls. One of the most frequent mistakes is including too much raw data without offering clear interpretation or relevance to strategy. Every chart or statistic should serve a purpose and lead to a business insight or action. Stick rigidly to the assignment brief and ensure each section meets its intended purpose. Brevity and focus are key, especially when working within word count limits. Use real-life or simulated examples to reinforce your arguments. For instance, referencing a successful digital campaign that used data to retarget users can strengthen your point. Finally, ensure your assignment is proofread for clarity, grammar, and tone. Match your content to the CIM assessment criteria and demonstrate your ability to think strategically. These tips will help you present a well-rounded and compelling submission that reflects both analytical and business skills.